Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar got a slight bump of 0.1% against the yen in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The Bitcoin dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair dropped 0.9% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
OPEC and allied nations have agreed to eventually raise the production limits imposed on 5 countries, ending an earlier dispute sparked by the United Arab Emirates that roiled global energy prices. The financial app Revolut last week fetched a blockbuster valuation of $33 billion, bigger than NatWest, after an $800 million fundraising from private equity giants SoftBank and Tiger Global. South Africa's unfolding turmoil is putting emerging market political risks in focus, and traders are hunting for opportunities in currencies vulnerable to political hazards.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. NAHB Housing Market Index will be released at 1400 GMT, the U.S. 3-month bill auction at 1530 GMT, the U.S. 6-month bill auction at 1530 GMT. The Eurozone's construction output will be released at 900 GMT, Germany's German BUBA monthly report at 1000 GMT, Japan's National Consumer Price Index at 2330 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.